Welcome, today I am with vivo Y72 5G from the European distribution, and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first you have to take a look on your display, and as you can see in my case I can find here already installed screen protection. It's very thin foil that protects our smartphone from our display from scratches. You can remove this foil if you want to apply toughness glass, or you can leave it. You can decide. I'm going to leave and I'm going to apply on it the tempered glass. So right now we have to remember about the two essential things: about quiet place, that no one will distract us, and also about the good lighting condition to see a very fingerprints and greasy marks that we have on our display, because we have to remove all of them. Okay, so right now let's open the box where we can find the two wipes. As you can see, right here we got the wet and the dry wipe. At the first we are going to use the wet one to remove all of these fingerprints and the greasy marks from the display. Sometimes happen that this wipe is not wet, it comes dry, so we can use something like the window cleaner and soak it up. And after that, take a look how easily we can remove all of these fingerprints. After a few moves, they just disappear. Take a look. So when you finish with the wet wipe, you have to open the dry one, and right now we have to remove all of these wet marks from our display. So we can make moves in the circle. Okay, and as you can see, when you finish, you can also use additional wipe. So I'm going to use something like that, because right now on the screen we can find all big greasy mark, as you can see. So yeah, let's remove it like that. And after that you have to drag with to the one direction to remove all the pieces of the dust from your display. Take a look right now, it looks definitely better. So we can finally grab our tempered glass, and at the first we have to remove this sticker. Like that. Okay, and right now you have to be sure that there's no any piece of the dust on the screen, because when you apply this glass on the dust, we will find the air bubbles. So that's what we are going to avoid. Keep holding the bottom part. Okay, I'm going to put it like that. Let's press with your finger in the middle, and also we have to remember to apply this glass evenly on the both edges, and just leave this bottom part, put it like that on the display. Okay, I have to remove this protective case, because with this case I'm unable to install the glass. And there it is. As you can see, we easily install the glass, but you can still find some kind of the glue marks after applying the glass. So how we can remove them? That's very simple. You can use your fingernail or wipe. I'm going to use wipe. And take a look, for example, here. We have to just press, and it will disappear. So that's what I'm going to do right now for the whole screen. Okay, and as you can see right now, it's finished. So right now we can use our device. And that's all. So basically that's how we can install the tempered glass on the vivo Y72 5G from the European distribution. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.